One of the painting project at home which has been progressing since last year is the bedroom makeover of our eldest son Ilhan. At this corner of Ilhan's bedroom, which previously was painted from the previous homeowner of the teal blue color shade, now the teal paint looks very faded, so we painted with leftover paints from previous paint projects at other corners of the house. At this side of the Ilhan bedroom wall, we will try to add wainscoting on this wall. Most of the materials to do this wainscoting, we bought it online. This time, the wainscoting part at the wall, we decided to use the metallic gold chalk paint color. Honestly, the metallic gold from Folkart Home Decor chalk paint product is not an easy paint for beginners to try. The paint liquid, before it was used, I tried to mix it well, long time, swirl inside the paint tub, but it's still not easy to get a consistent color. Difficult to get a same even metallic gold color. This design of custom wainscoting panels is very easy to stick on the wall. Good for beginner's choice. For the upper part of this wall corner, we use the leftovers of wall paint when we painted the bathroom wall on the second floor, which is the color of Jotun Citronella. For this metallic gold paint products, you need to at least paint the wall or woods 2 times. So you need to do 2 coats of paint. From here you can see the difference of one metallic gold color paint and at least 2 coats of metallic gold paint coat. After at least leaving the paint to dry overnight, then need to coat the wainscoting and the wall with waterproof top coat if you're using chalk paint. For this wainscoting project, we use 2 different waterproof top coat paint. One is wood top coat and another one we use the leftover wall top coat paint from previous bedroom makeover project for Abi's bedroom. Finally, after some surveys, we found out there is a local warehouse that supplies wall hanging cabinets from Facebook markets and went to have a look. After comparing prices of wall hanging cabinet from our surveys, we found that these shops provide wall hanging cabinets at a reasonable price.
Oh, dia ada kasih apa tu kat tepi tu?
Oh, ini angel mama.
screwdriver apa dia bagi sekali? Oh.
Boleh sah.
This is the first time we bought a new furniture for this bedroom, since most of the furniture in this room was left from the previous owner. Because the Jotun Citronella leftover paints only enough to paint at the upper side of this wall corner on top of the wainscoting wall. So for the wall beside it, we use the leftover paint from Ryan's bedroom, which is the Jotun Pirate paint colored. Since the large clothes cupboard will cover it anyway. I think the tree wall sticker doesn't look like tree that much at this corner, so maybe next time I'll change it to a different one. Between the wainscoting panel and the wall hanging cabinet, we decided to put photos when Ilhan was growing up during his toddler years, spending 4 years in South Australia.